Switches are awesome. They control everything on a single click. To know more about the common type of switches and their working, watch our previous video. Link is in description. Have you ever noticed how the switches are wired? From the phase and neutral supplies to your home, the neutral terminals are directly connected to the load. And have you noticed here? Yes, the phase wires are always connected with the load with switch in between. And why the connection is always being made like this? What happens if we connect vice versa? Your electrician says this is not a correct method to connect. But why? In this video, we are going to learn about common switching practice followed everywhere. Welcome to Mr. Smart. Serving knowledge to make you smart. Ever noticed live phase and neutral wires at your home? Have you tried touching them? When you touch the live phase wire, you will feel electric shock. But you can touch the neutral wire. This is because the phase wire is your potentially high end from where the current starts to flow. When it's not connected to the load, there will be electricity waiting for a path to flow. When these lines are connected to the load, the currents flows from phase to neutral and through load. This created current flow across load and makes load operating. At this condition, when a phase wire is touched, we feel electric shock as we always have. But what if we touch the neutral wire now? We will have an electric shock at this wire too, as there is a current flow in these wires now. When a switch is connected between the phase wires and turned off, the current flow beyond the switch is stopped, and we will feel electric shock only before the switch connection. And wires beyond the switch remains neutral. We can confirm this on seeing load. It's turned off. When the switch is connected in the neutral wire, and phase is directly connected to the load, the current flow will be until the switch through the load. Even there is electricity in load, the load will remain turned off as the circuit is not closed by switch. This may be wrongly judged by the person. As the load is off, the neutral wire remains neutral, but it is actually not. The neutral wire above switch will also have electricity waiting for path to flow. And it may cause electric shock to the person touching. Hope you are now clear why a switch is always connected in phase wires. Subscribe Mr. Smart and like the video. Comment for channel improvement. Thanks for watching.